Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing, where we have beautiful conditions in store for us today as high pressure will be moving over our area, bringing us abundant sunshine and temperatures that are pretty comfortable for this time of year. Yesterday throughout the region we saw a pretty wide range in temperatures. We saw as cool as 60 degrees up in Baltimore for the daytime high and as warm as 83 down in Norfolk. As a result of a frontal boundary that moved through the region, Norfolk stayed in the warm sector for a longer period of time during the day yesterday, allowing those temperatures getting up into the low 80s around the Tidewater region. You see Langley Air Force Base also at 81 for their daytime high. We hit 72 degrees here at Wallops. Overnight last night, temperatures generally running in the 40s and 50s, 55 degrees, the overnight low temperature here at Wallops. And everybody getting in on some rain shower activity yesterday with that frontal boundary passing through the region. You can see some higher amounts up in Baltimore and Washington, D.C. They picked up some heavy rain yesterday morning, but here at Wallops picking up just a little bit of precipitation, 3/100 of an inch, as that line of showers really did not materialize too much as it moved through the area, and we just got a few light rain showers as a result. Upper level wind readings from this morning's balloon release showing the winds generally out of a westerly component from the lower levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet. So as winds increasing with height, and we end up with a west-southwest wind at 64 knots at the 25,000 foot level, freezing level currently at 10,600 feet. So taking a look at our satellite radar composite, you can see really nothing to be concerned with for today as that high pressure builds in from the west. We're going to see very little in the way of cloudiness and no threat for precipitation. We'll see a little bit of high level cloudiness begin to work its way into the area later on this afternoon, and then a pretty big increase in clouds as we go into the overnight period for tonight and into tomorrow. But we will stay pretty clear with our sky coverage as we go through most of the day today with those mostly sunny skies. Looking at the current surface analysis, that frontal boundary that brought us the showers and isolated thunderstorms yesterday has pushed well off the coast this morning, and we are seeing that area of high pressure building in, dominating our weather for your Wednesday. Forecast maps showing the progression of our frontal boundaries and our next few storm systems as we go through the next few days. You can see just a weak area of low pressure that is going to ride along this frontal boundary Wednesday night into Thursday. That precipitation should stay south of our region. It will creep as far north as the Virginia Beach, Tidewater area tomorrow during the day, but it does look like high pressure will keep us dry throughout the day on Thursday, and we'll just see an increase in cloudiness as a result of this area of low pressure moving off to our south and off the coast. By Thursday evening, we're going to see mostly cloudy conditions continuing, but we will see an area of low pressure, this time taking a little bit farther north track as it draws closer to our area on Friday. We'll see that precipitation begin to move through our region. Not looking at a big rain event on Friday, but we will see a pretty good chance of showers throughout the day, both in the morning and in the afternoon, as we see a couple of different waves of energy move through the Wallops region during the day on Friday. You can see by Friday evening the frontal boundary associated with this system will be east of our area, and we'll start to really see some cooler conditions for the weekend, especially by Sunday morning. We'll see temperatures really falling pretty quickly during the overnight period as that cold air advection really settles into our area. But before we look at the 7-day forecast, taking a look at our 24-hour weather risk chart, you can see green across the board, so no hazards to be concerned with today. We'll see mostly sunny skies with an increase in cloudiness overnight tonight, with those lows dropping into the upper 40s for temperatures. And as far as the winds are concerned, it's going to be a very light wind day for us, likely seeing the wind staying under 10 knots as we go through the day today and into the evening hours tonight, seeing those winds dying down, becoming variable, less than 5 knots. But by tomorrow morning, as that system starts to move off to our south, we will see some winds increasing by Thursday morning up to around 7 to 12 knots out of the north-northeast direction by 8 a.m. Thursday with those mostly cloudy skies. Quick look at our terminal forecast showing VFR conditions expected throughout the next 24 hours. And as we go into Thursday and Friday, expecting mostly cloudy and cooler conditions for Thursday. high of 59 degrees with those onshore breezes. Thursday night and Friday, we'll see our clouds increase even more so during that time period, and we'll likely see some rain shower activity for your Friday with highs only in the low 60s, maxing out around 62 degrees here at Wallops. Taking a look at our next 7 days, you're going to see cooler temperatures arriving for the weekend after this system moves through Friday, bringing some rain shower activity to our region. 54 degrees is all we'll be able to get to for a daytime high on Saturday, and even cooler temperatures expected on Sunday. We'll see mostly clear skies Saturday night and Sunday morning, getting down close to that freezing mark. Could see the first freeze of the season here at Wallops by Sunday morning, and we'll certainly see a better chance a little farther off to our north and in the inland locations for Sunday morning. But then we'll see the temperatures rebound slightly as we go into the beginning of the next week, but still only in the upper 50s for daytime highs. We'll see our next system approach the region Monday night and into Tuesday, so rainfall likely by Monday evening and into the day on Tuesday, likely seeing those rain showers continuing throughout the region, with our winds becoming a little breezy at times with that next system as well. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning with weather briefings at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.